China called for collective actions and close cooperation to make global development more inclusive, beneficial to all, and more resilient, and stressed the importance of joint efforts to unclog industrial and supply chains and stabilize market prices, to tackle food and energy crises, at the just concluded 17th G20 summit in Indonesia's resort island of Bali. The proposals have aroused the interest of experts and scholars from all around the world.
The G20 is the single most important institution we have on the financing side for getting sustainable development achieved, because it brings together the high-income countries, the major economies in the developing world, and that's a very powerful and necessary grouping. I think China's role is extremely crucial, very constructive. I've been a very big supporter of the Belt and Road Initiative from its very beginning.
Today, the G20 shines out as the foremost international forum that brings together the head of states or head of governments of all the leading economic and political powers in contemporary global affairs on a regular basis to effectively generate joint action plans. All these principles, like mutual respect and consultation, peaceful coexistence and win-win cooperation, inclusiveness and connectivity, raised and supported by China, are keys to reaching efficient global governance within a multilateral framework. Today, China has been acting as a responsible global player to boost multilateral cooperation and globalization.
China has been able to show that they are helping the world to come together, so that every country has a stake in development of the world. Every country wants peace in order to develop, so that each country will have benefits that it is accruing from the status quo, rather than everyone pulling on their, on their ends, which definitely tears apart rather than brings us together.